Sunday morning, 26th of November, 2023, Thanksgiving weekend. We're at the Quick Trip, exit 283 in Emerson, Allatoona, Georgia. There wasn't room for this guy over there. Well, he was over there though at the Loves. I don't know what he's coming over here for. 3 big Provost travel buses over at the Loves. All those people inside McDonald's eating, I guess, so we came over here, got a coffee. I guess we're gonna hit 75 north. I don't know how far we'll go. It's 48 degrees, only going to 54 today, 37 tonight, 50 tomorrow, 30 tomorrow night, 50 Tuesday, 25 Tuesday night, Wednesday back up to 54 but down to 31, Thursday 60 and 42. So we'll be below mid 50s most of the week here in northwest Georgia. We'll head back to Vicky's today. It says rain coming this afternoon. I guess we'll find out if what I did got the leak stopped on the motorhome. Try to get in touch with one guy that'll just build a pole barn. We're going to check with Georgia Metals, see if they sell kits, check out grading, just whatever we need to do to try to get Vicky's motorhome covered to her satisfaction as quickly as we can. I don't know how far we'll go up 75, but I think we'll go 75, and we can only turn right coming out of there, going down there at the Quick Trip that way, going out. You can only turn right this way, or supposed to only turn right this way. How you get back to 75 from here? I usually turn left out of here anyway. But for the heck of it, let's go over the hill. I like going over the hill. Doesn't shift at the same points as a 1500 will. That's one reason gas mileage is not as good as it would be. '75 may be a good drive this morning. Have to switch to the GoPro or one of the other phones. We have not charged this battery in the S22 Ultra, so I think we'll cut it off, let it charge, and maybe put the GoPro on. We could go ahead and edit this one and be getting it uploaded, I guess. Yeah, all this is set and primed for development. Everything's rough graded, utilities are in. This road we're going down to, I guess we could go all the way to Rockmart and come up through Lindale. See about catching a train. This is Red Top Mountain State Park exit. To the right will take you over to the state park. To the left takes you all the way over to Rockmart. I don't know if they've got it 4-lane. I know they don't have it finished, completed 4-laned all the way, but they're 4-laning it all the way to Rockmart. Out past the Cartersville Airport, going over to Rockmart. And this used to dead end when you got off at Red Top Mountain. And if you went left, it dead end into 41. But they extended Old Alabama and connected it to Old Alabama. And so left is Rockmart, right is Red Top Mountain State Park, or straight, yeah, now, right back there and straight now. Right down here at 75 will take you back to Atlanta. On down to Florida. To the left takes you up, where does it take you? 75 going to Ohio? I don't know where 75, I've checked it, but I don't remember where it ends up. Let's go over here and park at this place, edit this video and start uploading it and put the GoPro on. Whatever this place is. What is this place? Sunoco. This has always just been a little recreational fuel, ethanol. We're going to pull right over here, edit this video, start uploading it, and I'm pretty sure we'll switch over to the GoPro. Emerson, Allatoona, Georgia. Exit 283. The Loves. Quick Trip. The Varsity that is hiring. Right there on your left. They've been hiring for a while now. Up to $20 an hour. To shovel pancakes. To shovel hamburgers. Just check out the Loves or not. Lord mercy. Where are all these buses? Village buses. Where are they? Who are these guys? Should we even try to get a coffee? go across the street to the Quick Trip. All those people are in there. Looks like they're in there eating too. Some hungry people. I didn't notice the tag. Where did y'all see where the tag's from? Quick Trip looks much more inviting this morning.